What's the meaning of archive? Archive. Archive.
Archive. Archive. Archive can refer to a collection of historical records or documents, or to the act of preserving and storing such records. In the context of computers, archive can also refer to a file format used to compress and store multiple files together. Archiving is often used as a way to save space or back up important data. The resulting archive file is typically smaller in size than the original files, and can be easily shared or transferred. Overall, archive is a term that describes the act of preserving and storing information or data for future reference or use.